In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Notepad file to Excel. Let's dive right in and start with the best method. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the menu bar at the top. Click on the File option, which you will find on the left side. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Open. Now, you'll need to locate your Notepad file. This file should be in the .txt format. Once you've found it, select it by clicking on its name, then click Open. Excel will then launch a very handy tool called the Text Import Wizard. This is an important step because it helps Excel understand how your data is structured. You'll want to choose how your data is separated. If your data uses commas, tabs, or semicolons to separate values, select Delimited. If your data lines up neatly in columns with spaces, choose Fixed Width. Selecting the correct option here is crucial because it ensures your data appears correctly in the spreadsheet. Once you've made your selection, click Next and then Finish. You will see your data neatly arranged in Excel columns. At this point, your data is ready for use, but it's important to save it in Excel format. To do this, go back to File, then click Save As. Choose the XXXX format, also known as the Excel Workbook format. This step is essential because it saves your work in a format that's easy to share and edit in Excel. This method is the most accurate for structured data, ensuring everything is neatly organized. Now let's move on to the second method, which is a bit quicker but more basic. Start by opening your Notepad file. Highlight all the text by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. Then copy the text by pressing Ctrl and C. Next, open Excel again and click on a cell like A1. Paste your copied text by pressing Ctrl and V. If your data ends up in one column, don't worry. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Text to Columns. This feature is very useful as it allows you to split the data into separate columns. You will need to specify how your data is separated. Choose between a comma, tab, or space separator depending on how your data is structured. This is a key step because proper separation ensures each piece of data lands in the correct column. After making your choice, click Finish. Your data should now appear in organized columns. An important tip to keep in mind is that your conversion will only work well if your Notepad file is structured. For example, data like name, age, city, followed by rows such as John 25, Davao, and Anna 30, Cebu will convert smoothly. If your text is messy or unstructured, Excel might not be able to organize it correctly. By following these methods, you'll find that converting a Notepad file to Excel can be straightforward and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data organizing!